Guys, today we're diving into the deep world of hearing aids. Specifically, we're taking a look at the ELEHEAR Beyond. Now, these are smart over-the-counter hearing aids, and I have to say, they're pretty good. So stick around as we explore the features, sound quality, and overall experience of the ELEHEAR Beyond. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the ELEHEAR Beyond smart hearing aids. Now, if you don't know ELEHEAR, well, their technology comes from a diverse team of innovators hailing from the US, Canada, Europe and China. ELEHEAR has established strategic partnerships with global tech leaders and research institutes. Its proprietary technologies have amassed extensive real-world usage experience across various consumer electronics products and has gained recognition in both academic and industrial fields. Now, I've reviewed quite a few of these, and I have to say, all of them have been pretty impressive, and in comparison to setting them up and the overall costs versus prescription-based units, these have definitely got a growing target audience. Now, before we get into it, ELEHEAR sent me these smart hearing aids to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. So guys, first up, you know what? This is nice packaging. I always think the packaging says a lot about the product. So open it up and we're greeted with the hearing aids themselves. Now, we'll just pop these down for a bit while we take a look at the rest of the contents. So up next, we've got some paperwork, and there's a lot of paperwork. So always best to have a quick scan before playing with the product. Then guys, on the bottom, we have a USB to Type-C charging cable. And in the next compartment, we have some different sized ear domes. Now, it's important that you find the right size for these, as this is going to make a big difference when it comes to the efficiency of this type of hearing aid. And lastly guys, for accessories, you get some tools, because you know what, from time to time you're going to want to clean these, etc. So there you go, you get a whole bunch of tools here, a brush and some other bits and pieces. So again, check the manual, it's going to explain all of those things in detail. Now guys, we come to the hearing aids themselves, and I have to say this is a pretty large charging case, but I wouldn't worry about that, as unless you're traveling away from home, you're not going to have to take it with you, because for a 90-minute charge you're going to get around 20 hours of use, which is pretty impressive for this type of OTC hearing aid. Now, look at the devices themselves, and you know what? This is a pretty conventional hearing aid design. Unlike some of the AirPod looking types, this should resonate well with wearers that need these devices and who want them to kind of remain a little bit discreet. Now guys, these hearing aids are what's known as a receiver in canal device. This means there's a piece that sits behind your ear, I've got them on now, and you get this bit of wire that goes over the top of your ear and the speaker part that sits inside your ear canal. Now, getting hold of these hearing aids is just a matter of buying them, as you know what, these are over the counter or OTC. There's no need to go to a doctor, and don't worry, I'll leave all the links in the description for where you can get these. Now, feature-wise, you get Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect these to your phone just like you would a pair of wireless earbuds. There's no need to go through any special accessibility settings, just pair it in your regular Bluetooth menu. Now, like I said, I've got them on, and you know what? They don't look too bad at all. I mean, I can't see myself particularly, but I have checked before and they look okay. I've been using them to stream music and to take phone calls, and for the best part, the streaming quality is pretty good. But keep in mind, it won't sound like high-end earbuds, right? Because these are hearing aids. Now, setting these up is a breeze, guys. Just download the app. Yeah, of course there's an app. There's always an app, right? But once installed, just open it up and you'll see a few sections. At the top, you can control your program settings. There's an automatic mode, which I've got it on right now. There's a noise program mode and a few others. So, you're pretty much sport for choice for the ease of setup. You can also adjust the volume for each ear separately altogether. And the most important part, guys, is the sound adjustment section. This is where you can customize the frequencies of your hearing aid and your amplification. Unlike some other hearing aids, there's no built-in hearing test. Instead, you've got the dials and you can adjust bass and treble and all that sort of thing. You'll need to play with it all to see what works best for you. But for me, I kind of just left it. But you know what? There's also a tinnitus or tinnitus, whichever way you pronounce it, section in the app. And this offers various soundscapes like rain, wind, different colors of noise. I mean, who even knew that that was a thing, right? But clearly it is. And, what they say is this could be helpful if you experience ringing in your ears. So you could play some of this stuff and it kind of, it's meant to counteract it. So there you are, worth a shot for somebody that's got that issue. Now, guys, there is one killer piece of functionality in this app that I need to talk about, and that is the translation capability. Yeah, there's a translation app. I mean, I tried this out and I have to say it is very impressive. You just have to choose your language, tap on the mic, say what you want to say, and your text is translated. I mean, that is really cool, and it's pretty much real time as well. So, I mean, there's probably some AI stuff going on in the background. There always is these days, but you know what? It is impressive.
How are you? Very well. What time is it?
Now, language support is limited to around 10-ish languages, but I'm sure that this will increase over time. But you do get English, French, German, Spanish, Russian, and you get some Far Eastern languages like Chinese, Japanese, Korean, etc. So you know what? It's not bad at all. The other little point to note is this will no doubt become a paid-for license in time to come, as I've only got a 6-month trial. But you know what? Let's see. To be fair, if you travel a lot, it's probably going to be worth it. Also, guys, it's always good to note that if you have any trouble setting these ELEHEAR Beyond hearing aids up, then ELEHEAR have experienced audiologists on hand to help you. Now, guys, let's talk about sound quality. Well, the sound separation is pretty good. I don't even know if I'm shouting right now because I've got these things in and I don't even know. But anyway, the sound separation is pretty good. It does very well at distinguishing speech from background noise. And one thing to keep in mind is that you'll need to be comfortable adjusting these settings yourself, because you know what, this isn't like you've got volume controls on the back of these. You can go up and down, but to be fair, it's just easier to do it from the app. But this isn't like a set and forget it device. You might need to spend some time tweaking things just to get the sound right for you. And it's also good that's going to help you that you can use presets to kind of help with that. So guys, where does the ELEHEAR Beyond fit in the market? Well, if you have around $400 to spend and don't want to go up to the $1,000 or even the $2,000 range, which, I mean, my mum just bought some hearing aids and they were about £1,800 UK pounds. If you've got $400, these are a solid choice. It's a good option for someone just starting to need hearing aids, and perhaps it's going to see you through for a while until you become very, very hearing impaired. Hopefully that's not the case, but I think these are going to work well for you if you're just starting out. I think they're going to work better for you. And also, do you know what? It's quite handy for a backup pair if you're traveling or you engage in sports or something where you don't really want to risk damaging or losing your expensive ones. Then yeah, I think this is a good addition to the arsenal. And guys, like I said, I've got them on and I do think that they're quite discreet. I also tested them listening to music and on some phone calls, and wait for it, my callers said they sounded better than my AirPods Pro. I mean, that's not a bad benchmark, right? So guys, these sell for about $399 a pair. Like I said, overall, the ELEHEAR does a great job for its price point. So there you have it, guys. These OTC hearing aids from ELEHEAR are definitely worth trying out. If you feel like you need some help with your hearing, or you're just kind of missing a few things, or maybe it's like television or just in busy places because you've got all of these settings that you can tweak for this, well, these could be worth trying out. With a long-lasting battery, quick charge, Bluetooth streaming, and the fact that you can hardly see or feel them on, they're definitely worth your consideration. And guys, like I said, at around $399 at the time of this video going live, they are a fraction of the cost of prescription hearing aids. I'll leave any product links, any discounts in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to ELEHEAR for sending me these very cool and capable hearing aids to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.